right now, the bulb is seated. I know it's in the right spot. It's a little bit off of the correct angle. And I'm going to slide this in. Now it moved. So it's seated. I just need to twist it into space. So I'm going to twist this into space, into the correct spot, by turning clockwise. So I'm looking at it this way, clockwise from the back. Okay, now one of the problems with having a wrench like this, you could really over torque this. Here we go. It's seated, it's in there. The sides are vertical. The bottom is horizontal. The connector is in place. And I'm good to go.